5 clever deorganizing ideas for an eye-catching rooftop garden. 1. Pallet orangery. Everyone probably has one or two unused pallets just sitting in the back of the shed waiting to be put for organizational use. Make a triangle-shaped door with 2 hinges. Cut sheet that will fit each sides of the orangery, then staple it to the wooden frame. Place your terracotta pots filled with tomatoes and other vegetables or flowers inside your newly built greenhouse. This clever deorganizing idea for rooftop garden will surely bring a unique look to your roof. 2. Square planter for edible green roof. You can grow your vegetables on top of your shed or apartment building. First off, make sure that your rooftop can support walking and planters. Then, use 2x4 furon sleepers and make sure you allow 25 centimeters of soil. Create gravel to allow drainage. Fill with soil using wheat block. Note that you might want to use lightweight soil designed specifically for rooftop garden. Place soil in raised planters. Plant your watermelon, strawberry, and vegetables. 3. Stunning CD case greenhouse. Make your rooftop garden 10 times more spectacular by having a small greenhouse made out of a CD case. You will need about 40 cases for 11x18x20 in size. Make 4 walls with 6 cases for the side and 4 cases for end walls. Glue them all on the edges. Attach another CD in the middle of the wall and glue it. Next, you will need to cut cases to be placed on the wall peak. Bend 4 CDs in half and line them up to make the roof. Glue on the hinges of 2 cases and balance one on the top of the end of each wall. Finish the roof by placing panels for ventilation and watering purposes. 4. Planter ladder. Mark places upon scraps of planks where you will make shelves out of them, about 200 mm between the shelves, about 25 mm between each mark along the edge. Hold the edges with screws and saw the top planks. Lay another plank on top of the first one and line up the bottom. Use a larger drill bit to make shelf holes. Create pilot holes and make support from the scraps of wood both on the front and behind the planter if there is no place to lean it on. 5. Floating succulent terracotta pots. If your rooftop has a chimney, you can use the wall to hang your terracotta pots. Cut 3 16-foot lengths of cloth S-line cord and just 1 green cord of the same size. Fold all of them in half and thread the midpoint through the snap hook and tighten it. Place 1 pot upside down and thread 4 cords through one of holes that allows drainage. Repeat this action to the other hole. Flip your pot and place the cord and move to position your other pot with the same method. Knot the remaining rope at the bottom and trim the hanging rope.